Hey guys, this is about scales and guidelines. First, let's see what is a grid display is. A grid is nothing but a series of vertical and horizontal lines which are mainly used to subdivide a page vertically and horizontally. A grid is displayed on the screen so that the user make a grid intersection rather than rely on a modular constraint. A constraint is nothing but a rule that we wish we contain some info in that so that here it includes input coordinates to obey. A modular constraint is the most common form of constraint, and here it forces the input point to move to the nearest intersection on a grid so that the user can do easily a image. The grid display is mostly used to help the user to input points at specific distances from each other mostly, and it is mostly measured in grid units. Scales. As the name suggests, scales are used for measuring an object. Here, it is used for transforming the size and shape of an object. Scaling requires a measurement. Measurements are used so that the user can fit in the object within the precise manner. Scaling here requires certain measurements to scale up or down an image. Precise measuring can be done because we are using a scale. How to insert a scale is just a very easy thing. Just if the user wants a scale, he can give a command and the scale would be displayed. If the user doesn't want a scale, he can give another command and the scale could be erased. Guidelines. The meaning of this word can be easily grabbed out by just splitting the word into two. Guide, lines. Guide. We know what a guide does. He assists the people with the required information. Same like that, here guidelines are used in computer graphics to assist the user in alignment. The user is guided by the guidelines to align the text and diagrams properly. As seen in the figure 2, we could come to know how the guidelines are used. Both the scales and the guidelines are used for setting the object in a precise manner as required by the user. This slide is all about examples for both scales and guidelines. The first figure is all about scales used for precise measuring, and the second figure is all about guidelines used for alignment. The first figure, the first image consists of a scale, and the second image it is used for precise measuring. The scale could be given by setting a command, and in the third image could be removed by setting a command. The second figure, the guidelines are used. First image consists of a guideline, and the second image, a guideline is used to set the image in a right manner. Third image, there is no guideline and it could be removed if the user doesn't want it. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching it.